Soul Dope Spirit, back with a money spell. Attract money. So, how to attract money? I ran out of my money spell candles because those sell out the quickest. So I'm using one that I used to like walk you through how to attract money with a candle. And if you don't have a candle, you can use another tool that is probably in your kitchen, or it costs like $1, $2. So I'm going to talk about that too. So starting off with the candle, you want a green candle, okay? Green, money. Money is green. All right? Green is a pretty color. That means money. So in order to attract money, you want to use a green candle. Once you get a green candle, you don't have to dress it up because your intention is going to work, but dressing it up makes it more powerful. I feel like dressing up a candle with different herbs that go with money raises up your chances of receiving that money quicker. That's my opinion. Just like the fire property is very strong, plants are very strong as well. So using different plants that go well with money, dressing it up on your candle will attract that money, okay? So when I lit this one, I probably made a sale like within an hour after lighting this candle. Like, and it just keeps coming. Like while it's burning, it will come to you. Depending on what you ask for. If you ask for something big, like a large sum of money, it's not going to come to you within 5 minutes. Like, you have to ask for things that are realistic as well. A lot of people, they can't manifest certain things because they're asking for things that are not realistic. If you cannot bring that to yourself, like work for it, and you can't be like, oh, this can come tomorrow. You asking for it, if you can't wait, it's not going to work out. So you can't be like, you know what? I want $1 million. I'm going to tell this candle, I want $1 million. One, that's going to take a minute. Okay? Because if you can't make $1 million in a day, the universe can't make $1 million for you in a day. What sense does that make? So you can't be like, you know what? I want like 300. Okay, it sounds a little bit more realistic. I want $300. This could happen in a short amount of time. It could come, $100. You find $50 outside. Oh, you find another. So you want to ask for something that is realistic. That's the first step in manifesting. You want to ask for something you know the universe or your God can grant you in a short amount of time. So you don't want to ask for $1 million and think that it's going to come tomorrow or next week. You want to be careful what you're asking for. So in my other videos, I always talk about be careful because you can manifest anything. If you ask your money candle or the universe, if you just talk to the universe, like, you know, I'm praying for this. What you pray for is what you're going to get. Okay? So if you want some money, but you don't say, I want money in a safe way, no one is getting harmed. If you don't mention those two key points, you can receive money through a car accident. You could receive money through somebody dying and they left you some money. You can receive, it's so many ways you could receive money in the most unsafe way, or somebody else is getting harmed. So another step you want to remember is always ask for something. And remember to put in there safely, no harm done. You want to put that in there because the universe can't distinguish, oh, she wants safe money. If you don't say it, the universe is not going to know. So say that you want it safely and no one is getting harmed. That's the main key. So next, what you want to do, you can use a partition paper or you can use a chant. So you could take either side. You could say words or you can write words. So say if you want a car, say if you want a promotion, say if you want this new job that you're about to go into an interview for, say if you want a new position, say if you want money, sales, whatever you want, you write on a petition paper and you can sit it under the candle or you can burn it. So I like my money candles, I put in there bay leaves. So once it's burning, The bay leaves is very good for abundance. So you can use bay leaves or partition paper. So I also put like coins inside my money candles, like Chinese coins, real coins. You could put cinnamon. You want to put things that attract. That's a magnet. So when you're asking for what you're asking for, you want to write that down. So say if you want sales, if you're a business person, right? This is the best way to receive sales or receive money from customers, clients, whatever the case may be. I'm attracting sales. I have sales. I am making sales. Sales are coming to me. I'm a magnet for sales. That's what you want to say. You don't want to say, I'm not getting no sales. I'm not getting no customers. I'm not getting no clients. And you're not going to. Talking like that. Fix your mouth. You have to really change your whole thought process in order to manifest accordingly. You cannot be negative. If you're a negative Nancy, you're not going to attract what you think you're going to attract. So don't talk about what you don't have. Talk about the things you do have. Appreciate what you do have. Okay? So if you're going to complain, I don't got no money, you're not going to get no money. Okay? Change that to I have money. I'm receiving money. I'm a money magnet. Change your words and you will attract different things. You will see the difference in your progress of manifesting once you change your words. If you become aligned with your words and your frequency, the vibration that you give off is what you're going to receive. So if you're giving off broke vibes, you're going to receive broke vibes, okay? That's what you're going to receive. So write what you want. If you want a new job, new car, you want money, write it. Put it in the candle or put it under the candle. You can use the bay leaf or partition paper. You also want to, so for if you're doing a chant, I like to do chants. I don't really do like partition papers. And if I do, it's for something that's going to take longer maybe. But I usually say a chant in my head. Like, money, money, come to me. I'm attracting money safely. Something like that. Say that as many times as you want. My lucky number 5. So I usually say things 5 times. That's my lucky number. So you say as many times as you want. 3 times. Whatever your soul wants, you give it to it, okay? So you say a chant. You can say it every day. You can say it until the candle goes out. You could just randomly say it in your head. It's going to come to you. Believe. You have to believe it. If you don't believe that it's going to come to you, it's not going to come to you, okay? So that's that. Now, if you don't have a candle, you don't have a green candle, you don't have access to a candle, you can use cinnamon. What you could do is you could get your wallet, sprinkle some cinnamon up in there. Sprinkle some cinnamon in there. Or you can get like $1, rub it with some cinnamon, and say a chant. It's that simple. People make things harder than what it is, but it's simple. You just have to be patient. You have to be patient. You have to be open. You have to open up your mind. You have to change the type of thoughts that you have, because clearly you're not attracting things that you want for a reason, and you have to see what that reason is before you try to manifest anything. Like, are you being negative? Are you talking about the things you don't have? Is your energy messed up? Is your environment negative? You have to think about all of those things, and maybe you have to light a white candle, a black candle, get rid of some of them bad vibes, purify your space, and then light a green candle, or then do some money spell work. So it's really that simple. Write what you want, say what you want, but make sure you always say that you want it safely. And you have to change your thoughts. You can't be talking about how broke you are. You can't be talking about how upset you are that you don't have money. Money is paper. Yes, it's value here in the world, but you have to realize money is not everything. So if you're not happy without money, how are you going to be deserving of it? So become appreciative about everything that you have. Appreciate everything that you have right now, because once you get what you get, you're going to be deserving of it. So appreciate everything that you have now. Accept how life is now. Relax. It's going to come to you, but you got to relax. You got to ask for it. You have to be very humble, okay? Humble yourself. If you deserve it, you're going to get it. That's just how the world works. The universe, your God, is going to see that you need this money. Your energy is great. You're giving off high vibrating vibes, and you want what you want, and you deserve it. The universe is going to see that. Your God is going to see that. So be patient, be open, be willing to ask, and you have to believe it. That's it. That's all. That's it. You got this. You got to get in alignment. That's all you got to do. Align yourself with what you want, and the universe will align things for you. So happy manifesting. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you guys want. Ask for it, okay? You're going to get it. Happy manifesting.